Hello and welcome to another Inspectivity Explainer video. My name is Paul and today I will show you how you can annotate a PDF attachment as part of your inspections. Now you may do this when you need to, for example, identify the location of an issue on a drawing, or perhaps you just want to draw attention to a particular result and that may relate to a PDF attachment that is added to either the item or the inspection. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this on both the Go mobile app and also in the web on Portal. So let's get started. We'll go to the asset hierarchy. What we need to do is create an item and upload a PDF attachment that we can use as the basis for our annotation. So I'm going to do that by cloning EH06. So we'll go ahead and clone that one. I'm going to rename it EH07 and then save that. Next thing I need to do is upload an attachment to the item. So I'm going to go to the Items tab and I'm going to upload a sample PDF we can use. So we'll just use, let's say, this block diagram here. Upload that. We'll just provide a category. We'll just say it's other drawings, and yes, we want to download it for the inspection. Save. So now we've got our attachment uploaded and ready to be annotated as part of our inspection. Now, since we're doing this annotation as part of an inspection, we need to create our inspection. So we'll just create a new function check inspection for that, and we'll make it ready for inspection on the tablet. So I'm going to go ready for inspection, and I will just do an assign to me. Okay, now let's move to the tablet, and here we are on the Go app, and what we're going to do is just refresh the search that I have here. You'll see I've got a query on for the sample project and it's assigned to me. So if I hit refresh, we'll see EH07 appear. So there we have it. Now, if I just expand out the drop down here, we'll see, this is just a handy tip. You'll see under the attachments there, we see the list of attachments that are actually on that item, which includes that block diagram. Now let's just check out the inspection, bring that to my inspection, so download that inspection and the attachment, and then we'll go to the my inspection screen. Here we see EH07. So this video is all about annotating the attachment. So let's get started by clicking inspect. When we come into the inspection, we're going to switch to the attachments tab. Here we see any attachments on the item, and if I scroll down, you'll see under other attachments we have the block diagram. Okay, to view block diagram PDF, just tap the link. That brings up the PDF editor. I can pinch and zoom on the drawing, so I can zoom in, zoom out, that type of thing. If I tap the screen once, we'll get some functions down below, including a comment button. The annotation options show a range of controls, including clouding, shapes, arrows, lines, free text type editors, that sort of thing. So let's just pick the pencil, for example, and we can just go ahead and draw something on the diagram and just accept the change, or perhaps we want to cloud a particular aspect of the vessel. So I'm just going to tap, 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 tap to create the outline of my shape, and then once that's complete, just tick and so on. So if I want to then remove a particular shape, I just need to select it, and then we've got some options here including delete. When I finish making my changes, I need to exit the editor. I do that via the arrow at the top, so I click exit, and then if I want to exit the PDF viewer completely, I tap a screen again, and I click the arrow, and it will ask me, do I want to save the changes? So I'll click yes. Now the annotation options that we've just added, we can upload those to Portal, and we'll be able to also re-edit those in Portal as well. So let's have a look at that process. So I'm just going to click done to exit the inspection, and now I'm just going to go ahead and do a check-in. So check-in will push the inspection to inspector review state, and then allow us to do some further edits. So if we now come back to Portal, so the assumption is we're back at our desk after our field inspection, we're in Portal, and we're now looking at the annotations that we've just performed. So we'll just go into the inspection via the Edit button here, and again we go straight to the Attachments tab here, and we'll see the block diagram. So before we jump in and view the annotations, you'll notice that the file name has now got a date and timestamp suffixed in the file name. That shows us that this file was annotated accordingly at that particular date time. So if we want to view the annotations in read-only mode, we could just tap the link, and that'll just bring up the PDF in the browser and allow us to see the annotations and so on. However, we're probably also interested in being able to edit and redo or adjust those annotations, and in order to do that we click the pencil icon to the right of the file name. That brings up the web-based PDF viewer, and you'll see along the top of the screen there's a range of controls for different aspects, whether it's annotations, say with a pencil or a call out, or adding text, rolling back any changes, saving changes, and so on. We can just scroll down in the PDF, and you'll see that annotation we did on the mobile client. It's a clickable object, so I can select it, and then I could move it around and adjust it. Let's also add, say, another annotation. I'll add a call out here, and we'll just say, put that like that, and we'll just say issue point. So perhaps we're describing where we located a particular problem. When we've finished doing our annotations, we just hit save, and then that will update the file with the updated annotations. When we're finished, we can just exit the inspection, and job done. If we want to see, if others need to see those annotations, they can switch to the Attachments tab, and they're able to then click on the file and see the annotated document. Okay, well that was a very quick session, just designed to show you how you can do annotations in both the Go mobile app when you're looking at PDF documents, or the web as well through Portal. So I hope it was interesting and informative, and of course please keep referring to the online knowledge base, and watch out for more videos in this explainer series. Thank you, and bye for now.